Hello, in front of me I have REALME GT 70, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot this device. Alright, so it's really simple. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So first you need to open up your power menu, and to do it we need to click the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Boom, as you can see it has been enabled, and now we need to drag and hold this white ball using our finger. Now we need to select the restart. Now simply release your finger. Now as you can see the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone now will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Also I will tell you that performing a simple reboot, it's from time to time it's good for your phone, because during that process all of the background processes are being closed, and during that you also frees up some RAM, and your phone might work better. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.